What is the purpose of worshipping in Islam? This is a very important question, but I would like to give you only in 2 points so that basically fundamental things you can understand. The basic and fundamental purpose of worshipping in Islam is to be God consciousness. Be aware of Allah around you all the time and in all the circumstances. This is the very, very important point that you should be aware of it. Be aware of Allah around you. Thus, the worship, whether it is salah, whether it is fasting or charity, is a means to achieve God consciousness. The purpose of worshipping is to develop and feel the God consciousness, feel the presence of Allah around you, so that when one becomes conscious of presence of Allah in thought, in action, he is in a better position to receive His bounties both in this world and in the hereafter, inshallah. Thank you.